In this video we take a look at the double fold hem. Stay with me and I'll show you how. A double fold hem is a simple way to finish off the hem of a garment. Here it is from the right side and the wrong side. So let's get started. First we decide how wide we want this hem to be. Mine is 2 centimeters. And for our fold, we can add up to double that. We can have it up to the same size as our hem, or we can have it smaller. I've gone for a fold half the size. So I have a 2 centimeter hem with a 1 centimeter fold. We take our fabric to the ironing board, and first we press over that 1 centimeter for the fold. We then fold it over and press again at 2 centimeters. We then take our fabric to the sewing machine, and with a straight stitch we work along the inside edge of the fold on the wrong side of the fabric. And we're finished. And that's how to sew a double fold hem.